So in this video we'll be talking all about the most important thing that we should keep in mind while we're trying to do an on-page SEO. If I'm trying to do an on-page SEO, the first major thing that we should keep in mind is the keywords. Now this is the default, like if I talk about on-page SEO, it is something that keyword is the only thing that comes in our mind. But how to effectively utilize the keyword while trying to do the on-page SEO, that's the biggest question. So if I'm trying to do an on-page SEO, the most important keywords, or the keywords which are of most valuable use of me, should be always present in the heading of the page, right? Because when crawlers are crawling your website, the first place where they used to, or where they are trying to find the keyword, is your heading. So in order to put, or the best place to write the most important keyword of yours is the heading of the page. And while using or while writing the content in your page, it is ideally always suggested write H1 and H2 H3, right? You should have the heading of the text or the blogs that you've written. You should have your proper subheadings and stuff like that. So the first major place, or the first most important place where crawlers finds the keyword, is your heading. Generally heading is of 60 to 80 characters, and being more precise, it is 512 pixels. So we need to arrange, or we need to write the heading in such a way that the audience not only the crawlers not only find the keyword, but the audience also find the relevant meaning from those keywords that you've written. So as I've said in my previous videos about the intent and the content, so make sure that is present out there, right? So this is a video series of first 9 videos I'm making on the most important aspects of SEOs while doing the on page. So first important aspect was of on page SEO is the heading. Make sure the heading that you give the name of the page is very efficient and very attractive. And you can even change the heading that is about to come on your website, that is if you're using a WordPress website. So there is an option while you're trying to create a menu bar that you can change the name of the page that is about to appear on your website. So on your website you can keep a different name, that is a very short crisp name that is very attractive. But ideally while trying to create the page, the name should be long enough for the crawlers to understand whether the keywords are present there or not. So this was today's tip. Stay tuned for the tips for SEO, more that I will be disclosing it tomorrow. Thank you.